How to change call screen on iPhone. First, make sure you are using the latest version of your iPhone. Now go back to the home screen. Open the phone app, and then go to Contacts. Choose any contact for which you want to change the call screen. For this demo, I'm going to select a random contact. At the bottom of the contact name, you will see the option Contact Photo and Poster. Click on it. Then, swipe left this contact background to see the empty background. Now, look at the bottom tap on the Create New. Here, you can choose other photos from the gallery, or you can choose Memoji or any monogram to contact. For example, I will choose Photos. Then, scroll through the photos to find the image which you want to add. Once you find it, click on it to get. Then, click on the Done. Here, you can see the preview of the call screen. Once you are OK, click on Continue. Then, you can also choose the contact photo. If you don't want to, click on Skip at the top right. After adding all, you will move to the Contact Edit page. Here, look at the top right tap on Done. And there you have it.